Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snipping Tool screen recording not working on Windows 11 in 2026. If screen recording is not starting, stopping unexpectedly, or not saving properly, this method can help. First, open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Apps and then click Installed Apps. Find Snipping Tool in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to Snipping Tool and select Advanced Options. Now click the Repair button and wait for the process to finish. After that, try screen recording again. If the problem is still not fixed, click the Reset button. Next, open Microsoft Store, go to Library and click Get Updates. Update Snipping Tool to the latest version. After the update is complete, restart your computer. Now open Snipping Tool, switch to Record Mode, click New, select a recording area and click Start. In most cases, repairing, resetting, and updating the app will fix the screen recording problem. That's it. You have successfully fixed Snipping Tool screen recording not working on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.